And there were three things that I have found that got me through. And as I have helped others, they are the common things that help them through as well. So, what are these three things that make a difference in your journey when you're just trying to find a way to survive? They all come under the heading of courage, because courage is what it takes to survive. Courage is what it takes to get through another day, to take the next step. So, what does that look like? First thing is let somebody in. This morning, I found something online about a suicide prevention awareness walk, and they talk about letting hope in and that you talk your way out of the dark. The first step is all under courage is let somebody in. The second step, the second thing under courage is to share your feelings. It is hard enough to let somebody in. And when you've done that, the next step of courage is to share your feelings. Find someone you trust, someone that where you know you won't be judged, you won't be criticized, you will be heard, you will be supported, and you will be cared for. And trust them with your feelings, with whatever it is you're experiencing now. Keeping them to yourself has gotten you where you are, and you don't want to stay there. And you're trying desperately to find a way out. This is the way out. Let somebody in, share your feelings. And the third step of courage is hold on for one more day. One more day. Anyone in the recovery community knows the power of the phrase one day at a time. That is what it takes. And what does it take to hold on? It takes going back through those steps of courage, day by day, minute by minute, hour by hour, of letting somebody in. You might be having a good day, things seem to be okay, and something blindsides you out of the corner. And then you find yourself starting to tailspin. So you let somebody in and you tell them what you're feeling and you hold on again for one more day.